Hi there, great to see you again. In this video, I'll show you Stripe, how to set up payment plans. Whether you're a business owner looking to expand your payment options or simply curious about how Stripe can seamlessly integrate into your business operations, this guide is here to help. Setting up payment plans can unlock new opportunities for your business, allowing you to offer flexible payment terms to your clients. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit stripe.com. Once on the Stripe homepage, look for the Sign-in option, typically located at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address and password associated with your Stripe account, ensuring your credentials are correct to avoid any access issues. Click Sign In to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're on your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the Home section, which serves as your starting point for all account activities. To set up payment plans, you'll need to access the Billing section. Click on Billing from the options available on your dashboard. In the Billing section, locate the Subscriptions option. This is where you will manage and create all subscription-based payment plans. Click on Subscriptions, and you'll be presented with a list of active subscriptions if you have any. To initiate a new plan, click the Create Subscription button. This is where the exciting part begins, customizing your payment plans to fit your needs. You'll first need to set up your customer by entering their name or email, ensuring the information is accurate. This step links the subscription to the specific customer. Next, decide on the duration of the payment plan. Will it be a monthly or yearly plan? Choose the duration that aligns with your business model and customer preferences. After setting the duration, it's time to add the products related to this subscription. Select from the products you've set up in your Stripe account. Once you've added the product, set a price for the subscription. Carefully determine a price that reflects the value of your product or service and aligns with your business strategy. With these details set, decide on the billing start date. Do you want it to start immediately, or is there a specific date you have in mind? Enter the start date accordingly. Now, choose the payment method. Stripe offers various options catering to diverse customer preferences, so make sure to communicate with your customer about the chosen method. By setting up payment plans on Stripe, you not only provide convenience to your customers, but also streamline your billing process, enhancing your business's overall efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you successfully integrate Stripe payment plans into your business model.